everybody. Welcome back to another Writer Groupie episode. Today we're doing a Scribbler unboxing. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you would, go down there and give that like button a little slap. And if you're interested for more videos, subscribe and join us. We have so much fun every Monday. Okay, here we go. Scribbler unboxing. Okay, you guys, so here we go with this month's Scribbler unboxing. And we have, ta-da, our special little invitation to the Scribbler writing contest. They have a writing contest every month. And if you go and you get a Scribbler subscription, you can be a part of that. And the fun stuff, woohoo! This month we have kettle chips. And it's dill pickle flavor. Yum, yum. I got snacks, you guys. Also, this month, we got a little pin. How cool is that? It says "Write On." Can you see that? It's a little pin. It says "Write On." The back it says "Start writing no matter what. The water does not flow until the faucet is turned on." And that's a quote from Louis L'Amour. Thank you, Scribbler. Like my little pen. We also have a set of 5 bookmarks that includes one of each of these. How fun is that? I love it. Next up, it's going to be a journal. Progress over perfection. Woot woot. It is a line journal, as you can see. Well, let me see if I can get it where you can see it. It's a line journal. I love journals. You guys know I do a lot of journaling, so you're going to be seeing that one again. Also, our little writing passport this month is on dialogue. Dialogue. And Victoria and Lindsay, the Scribbler ladies, have on the back it says, "No one else can tell your story." And that is so true. No one else can tell our story, right? Next up is our little inside our box, our publishing process look inside. And the book this month looks like it's going to be by Laura Ann White, a novel of suspense inspired by a real-life crime. Are you as excited as I am to see it? Let's look at it. Oh, well, first, literary agent Amy Tannenbaum. It's an invitation to go to a chat and meet with Amy Tannenbaum. I am so excited. This is this week, you guys. I'm going to go do this. And lastly but not leastly is my signed book plate that's going to go in my book by Laura Ann White called The Patient Secret. The Patient Secret. I'm going to read you the blurb. Her perfect life is no longer a safe place to hide. When the battered body of a female jogger is found beneath the cliffs of an idyllic coastal community, these perfect neighbors suddenly don't seem so perfect. Lily Bradley is a respected psychotherapist married to a distinguished professor. They live in a dream house with their 2 children in close-knit Story Cove. Lily lives a well-ordered life, or so it seems. As a therapist, she knows everyone keeps things hidden, even her. Then sensual and free-spirited Arwen Harper rolls into town in her hand-painted VW van, her 16-year-old son riding shotgun. Overnight, Story Cove's secrets are no longer safe because Arwen might know her new neighbors better than they know themselves. Now someone is dead, and it looks like murder, brutal and personal. The death invites the shrewd eye of Detective Rue Duval. Rue's job is to expose secrets, but she's also an expert at keeping them. As the lives of 3 women become inexorably entwined, one thing is clear: when it comes to survival, ordinary people can do the most terrible things. Ooh, you guys, that sounds like a lovely book. Aren't you excited? I'm so excited about getting a new book. I can't wait to read it. Well, that's it for me this time, guys. I'll be back next month with another Scribbler unboxing, and I'll be back next week with a Tarot for Writers reading. So if you're into the Tarot for Writers readings, hang on. Next week is your week. Check on back and we'll have some fun with the tarot cards. Until then, this is me saying bye for now.